So we're going to start off by cutting all our pieces of steel to size. Then we're going to weld everything together. And I'm specifically going to use a 32 by 32 square tubing. And we're going to start off by building 2 square frames. Then we're going to weld 4 pieces of steel connecting my 2 biggest square frames together. Let's go. So I'm done welding all my steel together, and this is going to be the base for my coffee table. I did however add an additional flat bar on the inside of my frame, right around and on top, so it's easier for myself to fasten my wood to my steel frame. Now I'm not going to paint my steel frame, I'm going to leave it rough, rugged and industrial. So I'm just going to add 2 coats of steel sealer to my frame. Now the wood I'm going to use for this project is MDF superwood. So my superwood has already been cut to size. Now my local wood supplier already cut all my solid wood into 5mm strips. Now I'm just going to clad my superwood using my nail gun and some glue. Let's go. Off camera, I did close all my nail holes using some wood glue and some sawdust from the solid wood I'm using from my project. Now I'm just going to give everything a quick sand, then we're moving on to varnishing. And as for all our South African fans out there, we did launch a new company, Craft House, where we're specifically only focusing on custom-made exclusive furniture. I am going to leave a link down in the description where you can find all our details. And as for all the new furniture going out of our warehouse, we've got a new custom brass solid Craft House logo with countersunking in all our new furniture, and I'm going to show you exactly how we do it. Let's go. And this is how you build an easy, rustic, DIY industrial coffee table. And I honestly hope that this step-by-step instructional video is going to help you build your own. Now, before I'm going to show you the final product, and if you want me to produce more content and DIY step-by-step instructional videos, I'm going to need you to hit the subscribe button and the notification button so you don't miss out on any future projects or videos I'm posting. Guys, enjoy this one. Cheers for now.